Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create postcards on the CEWE application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen. You can find different products. For example, click to the postcards. Select the postcard option. You can edit that, you can add a photo, and you can change the text on the back. And if you're okay with this creation, you can order if you click to the cart icon at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.